Hello everyone! In this video, AutoFace will guide you on how to create an automated watch video script. You'll need to go to the script manager to create a new script. Select Create a new script. In the General Command group, hover over the Watch Video command, then click and hold the left mouse button to drag and drop it onto the right screen. Click on the three-dot icon to see the Edit and Delete options, then select Edit. You can set up various commands. Now, you just need to set up the parameters as desired. Number of videos is the number of videos each account will watch. If you set it to 3 to 5, each account will randomly watch between 3 to 5 videos. Watching time on video is the duration for each video view. Next, set up random likes, shares, and comments for the video. Choose one or multiple reaction types. Accounts will randomly take and react. Now, just connect the starting point button to the watching time command button, and you're done. You should recheck your script by clicking on the debug icon to check if there are any errors. To test it, click the play button, then select a profile to run the test. After creating it, name the script and click Save. The newly created script will be located in the Your Scripts section. To run this script, return to the main screen. Select the profiles you want to run, then click Run. Choose the Watch Video script. Before running the script, you can select the Automation Setting button to set the parameters. After setup is complete, click Run to run the script. I've just introduced you to how to create a self-watching story script to nurture accounts on AutoFace. If you need further assistance, please contact AutoFace's support team via live chat, Facebook, or Skype. Wishing you all success.